Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is construction of records and files. In traditional file management system FMS, a file with a collection of records is shown in the following figure. You can see the record of roll number 16, roll number 2 and roll number 1, which contain the data of roll number, name, address and phone number of roll number 16, roll number 2 and roll number 1. File, a collection of related records treated as single unit is called file. A file is also known as dataset. Files are stored on different storage media like hard disk, USB flash drive, optical disk. A file must have a meaningful name. For example, if records of students are stored in a file, then its name should be student.file extension. Records and fields. The data stored in a file is generally organized into individual records. A collection of related fields or data items used as single unit or treated as single unit is called record. A set of related characters is called field. It is the smallest unit of data. All the fields must be unique and have meaningful name. The size and data type of each field is defined at the time of designing the structure of record. The data of record is stored on storage media like disk in machine language as a combination of 0 and 1. Each field of record occupies the space that is allocated to it. The whole record is stored or retrieved to and from storage media at once. The record of a particular student is shown in the following figure. At left side we have field names and right side we have data for each field. Field names are roll number, name, address and date of birth, and at the right side we have data for each field. Fixed length field and variable length field. A field that has fixed size and its size cannot be changed when data assigned to it is called fixed length field. If the size of data is less than the specified length of field, then remaining field space remains empty or filled with blank spaces. For example, a field name of student record is fixed as 20 characters. It will always occupy 20 characters space on storage media. Like if the data of student named Farzana, which contains 7 characters, is stored in this field, then remaining 13 spaces will be filled with blank spaces. In most of file management system, the size of each field of a record is fixed, so the size of record itself will have a fixed length. Variable length field. A field whose size can be changed by file management system at the time of data entry into it is called variable length field. File management system handle the variable length field in different ways. Suppose we store the data of student name Farzana in variable length field. The name will occupy only 7 characters as shown in the following figure. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.